Hey guys, today I want to show you a database that is available to all students in pre-K through second grade. We really highly recommend that students, when they are trying to find information for reports or different activities, that they always access the databases available in the Mesquite ISD portal. And the reason we want to do that is these are databases that have really good content, they are safe, and this is just like the first place to go. A lot of our students like to go to Google, but we prefer that they try to go to the Mesquite ISD databases first. So if you are in the portal and they go to the Library Services tab right here, the database that we're going to talk about today is called Pebble Go. So Pebble Go is a very simple and basic database. When they go to the home screen of Pebble Go, it's going to be divided into different topics: animals, science, biographies, and social studies. There will also be more subtopics within those areas that students can explore. When you want to access one of these topics, they have to click on the word. They can't click on the picture. So I'm going to click on biographies. You'll notice as you go into biographies, it's also divided into different topics. Royalty and nobility, scientists. Today I'm going to access Hispanic Americans by clicking on the page. And it shows you a list of everybody that is available as I'm scrolling up and down the page. So I'm going to do Jennifer Lopez because a lot of our kids know who she is. The content about Jennifer Lopez's life is very, very simple because you have to keep in mind who our target audience is. It will read the information to the kids if they just click on the speaker.
Jennifer Lopez.
And what is also really nice is it will highlight the words as it is reading it to them. If they find a word that is bold and red, it has a definition. They just need to double click on the word, and it will give the definition to them. And of course, it will read the content to them as well. They can scroll through the different tabs to find out different information about aspects of their life. And there's also a Read More tab about most of the topics. The Read More tab, basically, it connects other articles in Pebble Go to the article that they are researching. So if the kids are really interested in Jennifer Lopez because she is a famous musician, it's going to tag it to Beyonce. And then we also have Lin-Manuel Miranda, and he's a famous Hispanic American. So it tries to give them connections to other people if they want to learn more. Down at the bottom, there is a Cite tab, which is really cool. The kids don't have to come up with their own citation. It will give it to them. There are some PDFs available. If students do not have access to the databases at home, it is nice. The teacher can click print and it will print the article out for the students. And remember, not all of the students have access at home. So the kids can find the content in the database. They can look it up, but the teacher could print it out and send it home with them. There's also a page that they can print out, and I've noticed that it's a note-taking page. Oh, wrong one. I'm sorry. That's on a different tab. That's under the Activities tab. If they go to the Activities tab, there's a PDF available for the students to take notes on as they are doing their research about Jennifer Lopez. Of course, we like to encourage students to ask some of their own questions about whatever they're researching. So you might encourage the students on the back to ask some own questions about that person or topic and write that information on the back. There are some media options available, different videos, and a timeline for her. So it's got a lot of really, really good content. Of course, the Animals tab is going to look different based on what they're researching. But this database, it has many opportunities for the little ones. So if you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to ask. And I hope you have a good day. Bye.